This next award is for Best Performance in a Supporting Role. Strangely, the judges have overlooked President Chirac for his role in supporting NATO, Gordon Brown for his support of Tony Blair, and quite extraordinarily Tony Blair for his support of George W. Bush. Instead, the nominations are as follows.
Essie Davis for A Streetcar Named Desire at the Littleton. Jessica Stevenson for The Night Heron at the Royal Court. Mark Strong for Twelfth Night at the Donmar Warehouse. Sian Thomas for Up for Grabs at Wyndham's.
To present the award, an actress who is about to appear alongside Imogen Stubbs and Patsy Palmer in Mum's the Word at the Albury, Kathy Tyson.
Thank you and congratulations to all the nominees. The award goes to Essie Davis.
This is overwhelming. Thank you so much. I would like to thank Trevor and my dear sister Glenn, who was such an amazing woman to act with, and so strong and fragile, and gave me everything to lean against and push against. Thank you.